This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how GFCI and TradingView are distinct concepts. It's important to understand that a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, is an electrical safety device designed to protect you from electric shock. On the other hand, TradingView is a popular online platform used by traders and investors for charting, market analysis, and social networking. They operate in completely separate domains and have no functional connection. Let's dive deeper into what a GFCI actually does. A ground fault circuit interrupter constantly monitors the electrical current flowing through a circuit. If it detects even a small difference in current, indicating a potential ground fault, it trips the circuit almost instantly. This rapid response is crucial for preventing serious injuries or fatalities from electrical shocks, making them essential safety components in many homes and workplaces. Now, let's shift our focus to TradingView. This powerful platform provides comprehensive charting capabilities for a wide range of financial instruments, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, forks, and commodities. Traders use its extensive set of technical analysis tools, indicators, and drawing objects to identify trends and make informed decisions. It also fosters a large community where users can share insights and learn from one another. To reiterate, there is no direct or indirect method to connect a GFCI device to the TradingView platform. One is a critical electrical safety mechanism, while the other is a sophisticated financial charting and analysis tool. They serve entirely different purposes and operate in completely separate technological ecosystems. Understanding their individual functions helps clarify why a connection isn't possible. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.